he's fighting it. He's up. He's standing up. And where is it?
He's right underneath us.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Trying to do this while I'm one-handed.
The bigger one?
Is he? Oh boy.
Oh my God.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good fish. Yeah.
What the hell? What is going on with you guys? You're insane. Dude.
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's better. I thought it was a smaller one the way it was fighting.
God. I don't know where the net is taking me here. Where the fish is.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Yeah, he's bleeding.
Pouring out blood.
Yep.
Oh no.
No, he's fine.
Oh, God.
No, he's not fine.
He's not fine. There's blood all over the side of the boat, Paul. Is that you or the fish?
Fish. I'd like to get him out of the net. Oh, he's got it good. Got it good. Oh. No, he doesn't. He's just
Maybe
bleeding.
that's your blood.
He's just bleeding, that's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Got that bloody boy?
Oh boy, he's bloody. He's bloody. That's a big old bass.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.